Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is diminishing and is now giving a neutral signal. Bitcoin has added 6.5% in the last session. The ADX transitioned sharply into positive territory. The price of gold has fallen 1.1% in the last session. The RSI has transitioned sharply into the oversold zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 1.3% in the last session. The ROC plunged into negative territory.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Stocks edged lower on Wall Street as investors remain cautiously optimistic about prospects for a new round of government aid as the economic recovery seemingly stalls. MasterCard Incorporated will begin allowing cardholders to transact in certain cryptocurrencies on its network, becoming the latest company to embrace digital assets. The dollar slipped in quiet trading, weighed down by slightly weaker than expected U.S. jobless claims data. That followed tepid inflation numbers and a dovish message from the Federal Reserve.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 700 GMT, Spain's HICP at 800 GMT, Japan's CFTC, JPY, and CNET positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 700 GMT, the U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1500 GMT, the U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.